Well guys, today I'll show you how to remove the GoGuardian obscure book with bookmark feature. But before you continue, don't forget to subscribe for more GoGuardian tutorials. So open your tab, click on this bookmark tab. So you want to add a bookmark here. This found the bookmark option and go to bookmarks on this and click on bookmark this tab, name it or whatever. Click on done and search for anything on the internet. You find nothing here. This button is a new tab and put the photo created the bookmark recently, and just you want to make this in a we want to access that bookmark and click on all bookmarks, click on whatever, and this should be remove GoGuardian for underscore Chromebook. So this video, I should guys, if you found this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and